Hi, let's talk about the Quick Elements CRM. You can access your CRM by going up here to Products and then CRM. The first page that you'll come up on is the Contacts page, where you can see all of the contacts in your CRM. You can click on an individual contact to edit them, add new, import, all the standard features you would expect. When you click on a contact, you can see information such as their email, when they were created, as well as manually entered information such as their name, email, phone, address, and the source. Over here under the Activity tab, you can see all the activities that they've done, which broadcasts they've received, which pages they've visited. You can also add notes, tasks, and files to each individual user. If you come over here to the Tags and Campaigns section, you can add tags. Now, a tag could be something like attended this event, or visited this page, or purchased this product, opened this email, something like that. Anything that you can use to identify a contact. A campaign could be something like, for example, a Black Friday sale. Over here under emails, you can see all the different emails that you have. You can add new emails here and can click on an email, for example, donate. You can come in here and edit the email however you want. Now, a broadcast is like an instant email, which is different from a conditional email. A conditional email may send out, for example, 24 hours after they have purchased a product from your site, or instantly once they sign up for your newsletter, or maybe even 1 month after they've purchased a product to request a review, something like that. Now, a broadcast is an instant email, which means it'll send it out immediately. So if you schedule an email broadcast, you can select the email. Now you have to create this in your emails, but you'll select the email. You can go over to campaigns. Now this is optional, but this is just to organize your broadcasts. So if you don't want to use one, I don't have any right now, you'll just go to the next step. Now you can schedule the broadcast for a specific time, or you can do it now. If you want to send it in the context of local time, this is useful if you have a global audience and you don't want to send an email to your users in Australia, for example, at 3 a.m. So we'll just do now, since most of the contacts here are all in the same time zone. You can select the contacts that you want to receive this broadcast. So now this is where tags come in handy. So for example, let's say I want to add people who have received or opened a past broadcast, and I can go to the last broadcast, and then now it'll include everybody who has opened the last email. I could also exclude people. So for example, let's say I create a tag for people that have purchased a specific product. So I would want people that opened the last email but haven't bought a product. So I can exclude people who have tags which include any, and then I would have the tag here which I could assign to people who have bought a specific product. Now inside the include filter, there's a lot of useful options to choose from, but one of the really useful ones is page visited. So if you come down here, you can go to page visited, and you can say, like, for example, the home page. And if they visited the home page at least one time at any time, then you can send them this. Or for example, if they visited a product page or any type of page, it's really useful to be able to send emails to only those specific contacts. Now, for now, I'm just going to do all contacts, but once you've decided your filter, or if you want to send this to everybody, all contacts will only send to contacts that have not opted out. So if they've opted out, it won't send it. But once you've set your filter, you can go here, click review, you can look at your email. This is the email that it's going to send. And once it looks good, you can click confirm and schedule. And there you go. So now what you can do is when you refresh the broadcasts page, you can see there is a scheduled email which is sending in 5 seconds, and if you give it a little bit of time, it'll send this email out. So once you give it a little bit of time, it'll send the email, and sent to 7 people, 0 opens, 0 clicks, but you can sort of track the data for the individual broadcasts here. You can also track the data in the reports, which I'll show in a second. But if you come over here to funnels, this is how you create like lead magnets or funnels. So for example, you might have a contact form that you can create, or you might have a footer, subscribe, or maybe even a lead magnet download. So these are all sort of just templates that you can use. So I'll show you one really quick, like to request a review. So if you click use template here, it'll open up the template editor. And over here on the left hand side is the funnel. So when the user is created, you'll wait 7 days and then you send a review request, and then wait 7 days, send a review request again until they've clicked 1 to 3 stars or they've clicked 4 to 5 stars. And so each step of the funnel you can click on and edit the settings for that step. And these are the conditionals. So you can add a step by clicking here, and these are the additional steps that you can add. So once you have a funnel ready to go, you can click activate it, and then you can click update. So that's pretty much it for funnels. The last thing to show is the reports here, which will just show you some reports on your different contacts, and how many people are opening your emails and how many conversions each email is getting, and stuff like that. So that's pretty much it for the CRM. If you have any questions, let me know, and thanks for watching.